I opened up another web large document. I've got the rectangle tool selected, black fill, no stroke. I'm just going to show you how quick this is because I did the math. I set this up. I can click this and make a 20 by 940 rectangle. Then select it, and I'm just going to move it into position here, and hit return and change the horizontal to 920 because it's 20 pixels wide and 0 for the vertical. So if it's 20 pixels wide and I move it 920 pixels, it must be 940 from one side to the other. Click copy, and then go like this, hit a keyboard shortcut and say boom, there you go. Now, this blend tool option, this is the most primitive way to use it. There are so many other great ways the blend tool works, and it's worth your while to learn how to use this, because what a great way to make a whole collection of items. In this case, all I'm doing is making something the exact same color, the exact same size, just so they fill this gap perfectly. So there's 20 pixels of black, 20 pixels of white, on and on and on. And the reason this works is because I did the math. Okay, let's do this. Let's pick it up, take it slow, go step by step in the next video. But I want you to understand, you need to wrap your head around the blend tool because it is powerful, and it's not just for the same size and same color. Think about it.